I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LifterLMS. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Search and select an action. Twilio. Give your account SID, auth token, and phone number. So please visit the Twilio console. Copy the account SID, auth token and Twilio phone number. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Number. Map the messages fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your course page and click Sign Me Up. Now click here to login. Now click the Enroll Now to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now go to the Twilio site and refresh the page. And you can see the message was sent successfully. Thanks for watching.